Today we're unboxing the professional induction cooktop from ChangBERT, and then we're making a Iberico Cheesesteak Sandwich on it. Let's start by unboxing the induction top. First impression is that it looks great. The stainless steel body and shatter-resistant glass are built to last and can support up to 100 pounds, so it's long-lasting. The surface has a no-dead angle design. After cooking, you basically wipe it down with a cloth. I find that it's very easy to use as well. It's very intuitive, you don't need instructions. The physical buttons work reliably, even with greasy hands or while you're wearing gloves. In our Iberico cheesesteak recipe, we'll show you a couple of these functionalities in action. So let's get to cooking. It's time to prepare all the ingredients. We got an Iberico Presa. We will open the package. We're gonna trim off some silver skin and some excess fat. And look at this beautiful marbling. This is gonna cook amazing. We're gonna place it in the freezer for about an hour. We wanna take 1.5 onion and then we wanna slice it into thin slices. All the ingredients are now prepped, so let's start cooking. It's been an hour, the Presa is semi-frozen. Now we're gonna slice it very thinly against the grain on the deli slicer. And this is the kind of thickness you're looking for. We're gonna place a pan on our ChangBERT induction top. We're gonna start it up and set the effect to 600. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to a medium hot pan, and then we wanna slowly caramelize the onion. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt. You wanna stir the onion continuously, and if you cook it slow, it will bring out a sweetness in the onion that will make it taste so much better. When ready, remove it from the pan. We're gonna add some butter, increase the temperature to high, using the boil function that immediately brings up maximum effect. And then we're gonna add the thinly sliced Iberico Presa meat. We wanna season this with a salt, pepper, garlic rub. We're using our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. And now we wanna cook this on high until caramelized and cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna add the caramelized onion back into the pan and incorporate thoroughly. Then you wanna bunch this together in 3 piles. We're gonna top it with some provolone cheese. We're gonna cover it and let the provolone cheese melt. And then we wanna place this into a couple of hoagie rolls. Then these Iberico cheesesteak sandwiches are ready to eat. And that is how I make my Iberico cheesesteak sandwich with Iberico Presa. And the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that. That just looks amazing. So here we go. Oh. So good, so flavorful. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.